Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that combines two essential cleaning tasks into one efficient device, the BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum and Steam Mop, Model 2747A. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam is designed to tackle both vacuuming and steam cleaning of hard floors simultaneously, making it a convenient solution for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. With its innovative design, it allows you to pick up dirt and debris while sanitizing your floors, all in one go. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to sanitize floors using the natural power of steam. It claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals, making it an environmentally friendly option for households with kids or pets. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your floors are not only clean but also safe for your loved ones. The BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam is equipped with easy-touch digital controls that allow you to switch between vacuuming, steaming, or using both functions simultaneously with just the touch of a button. This feature is particularly useful when you encounter a particularly messy area, allowing you to quickly adjust your cleaning method without interrupting your workflow. Another impressive aspect of this product is its powerful cyclonic vacuum. This technology helps capture dirt, dust, and larger debris effectively, ensuring that your floors remain spotless. The device comes with a microfiber soft pad and a microfiber scrubby pad, which are designed to tackle different types of messes. The detachable mop pad tray makes it easy to switch out pads when needed, adding to the overall convenience. Now, who is this product suitable for? The BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam is perfect for busy households, especially those with children and pets. If you're someone who values both cleanliness and efficiency, this all-in-one solution could be a game changer. It's also great for individuals who may not have the time or energy to perform separate vacuuming and mopping tasks regularly. In terms of practical use cases, imagine you've just had a family gathering where your pets have tracked in mud from outside. Instead of going through the hassle of vacuuming first and then mopping, you can use the PowerFresh Vac and Steam to handle both chores at once. This makes it particularly useful for maintaining a clean home in less time, especially in high-traffic areas like kitchens and living rooms. Another scenario where this device shines is during seasonal cleaning or post-renovation cleanups. The combination of vacuuming and steam cleaning can save you hours of work, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Plus, the ability to sanitize your floors means you can rest easy knowing your home is not just clean but also hygienic. In conclusion, the BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum and Steam Mop is a versatile and effective cleaning tool that simplifies your routine. With its powerful vacuum capabilities, steam sanitization, and user-friendly controls, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and healthy home environment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.